The Kenmore Elite Black Stainless Refrigerator features a progressive style that blends seamlessly into any kitchen decor. The sleek preview glass door allows you to see inside the fridge without letting any cold air out. And the fingerprint-resistant finish is easy to clean, keeping your refrigerator looking beautiful. Airtight crispers lock in moisture, so fruit and veggies stay fresher longer. And dual evaporators cool the refrigerator and freezer separately to maintain ideal temperatures and humidity. Plus, the roomy interior features flexible storage options to maximize space while keeping your groceries organized and easy to find. The Kenmore Elite Black Stainless Refrigerator. Kenmore, be amazing.
Haier India introduces its all-new side-by-side refrigerator HRF 748 kg. Its smooth black glass finish ensures that your refrigerator stays dust and scratch-free. The elegantly designed horizontal digital control panel placed over the top right section helps easily navigate the temperature settings. The refrigerator comes with a best-in-class mega space of 688 liters. The refrigerator section has a huge space of 420 liters and the freezer section comes with a space of 261 liters, big enough for everything you've bagged from the stores. Convertible crisper has 4 different modes: dry fruit mode, quick cool mode, 0 degree fresh mode, and fish and meat mode. It is equipped with 3 toughened glass shelves, 4 spacious door bins, and separate fruit and vegetable compartments, keeping the food fresh for a time much longer than any conventional side-by-side refrigerator. Refrigerator's 38% freezer section helps you store more of your frozen foods. The freezer section has 4 door bins and 3 toughened glass shelves for added storage. Movable ice tray gets you twisted cubes easily. This refrigerator's twin inverter technology makes sure that both the compressor and fan motor works on inverter, leading to lesser fluctuations and longevity for the compressor. On top of it, you also get a 10-year warranty on both the compressor and the fan motor. Smart Function acts as an internal guide and directs the refrigerator through its high-tech sensors about maintaining the exact ambient temperature vis-à-vis the load. When on vacations, you can switch to Holiday Function that automatically adjusts the internal temperature of the freezer and sets the refrigerator at 17 degrees that avoids bad odor within the refrigerator. Forget about worrying how to quickly chill your products. Quick Freeze function does exactly that at just the touch of a button. Now you can start planning the unplanned parties. The top LEDs brilliantly illuminate every corner of the fridge compartment, ensuring about 30% less food wastage that usually ends up in trash due to poor visibility. Haier's noise control technology embeds refrigerator with centrifugal fan that circulates the cold air efficiently in the refrigerator and operates at a maximum noise of 38 decibels, while other conventional refrigerators operate the refrigerator at 40 decibels. So now you can have some soothing conversations in the kitchen as well. You must be thinking the big refrigerator with so many sensors may be eating up more power? Well, it's exactly the opposite. This refrigerator doesn't consume a single unit extra of energy, thanks to twin inverter compressor and how smart sensors automatically adjust the cooling supply with cooling demand, eventually leading to smart cooling.
Panasonic's BX series comes in a stylish full-flat frameless design. An intelligent external touch panel gives control over the fridge settings externally for added convenience. The Fresh Safe keeps fruit and vegetables fresh and juicy for longer, as its large drawer-type design is airtight and locks in up to 90% humidity, preventing direct cooling and food spoilage. A key feature to the BX series is Prime Fresh, a switchable chill case that maintains produce at 0 degrees Celsius. You can also activate Prime Fresh to soft freeze food at approximately -3 degrees Celsius. Items can be kept longer without spoilage. Meat stored in Prime Fresh is easy to cut due to the firmness at this temperature, and the cellular structure won't be damaged, which can occur during freezing. The Prime Fresh function also helps to minimise odours from foods such as seafoods and cheeses. The BX series is available in silver or white and has the added convenience of a door-type bottom mount freezer.
Behold, a refrigerator as versatile and limitless as your creativity, with the largest capacity and the most tall storage of any in its class, thanks to a versatile slide-away shelf. An under-shelf pan transforms usually empty space into a prep zone, perfect for chilling dough or marinating meats. Full extension drawers let you see every ingredient easily, and a built-in tray extends your entertaining possibilities. A produce preserver extends freshness, and a special seal maintains the right humidity in crisper drawers. To keep everything at the peak of freshness, the Preserva Food Care System offers 2 separate systems to create the ideal climate for the refrigerator and freezer. An efficient linear compressor keeps it all operating so quietly, you can practically hear your next delicious idea forming.